What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. I've got the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and as you guys know, one of my favorite affordable screen protectors happens to be the Elixir Sentinel. One thing that I love about this is you get a case and screen protector combo. We're going to install it on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and get started. This video is sponsored by PhoneTrans by iMobi. If you just picked up a new phone over the holiday season, PhoneTrans by iMobi is a must-have tool. You can easily transfer from iPhone to iPhone, iPhone to Android, Android to Android, or Android to iPhone. The quick transfer feature allows you to transfer specific data or data types to the target device. Phone merge actually allows you to merge content from two iPhones or two Android devices. Phone clone has to be the standout feature here. This allows you to clone data from the old phone to the new phone, so you're sure to not lose anything. App transfer is another awesome feature. This allows you to transfer not only the app, but also the app's data. This works for apps like WhatsApp, and you can do this on iPhone or Android. Head to the link in the description to download PhoneTrans from iMobi today. First up, we'll take a look and see what all is in the box. All right, so we do have our Sentinel case. We have some instructions here. We do have, looks like some cleaning supplies, and then we have our glass screen protector. So first up, we'll take a look at the case itself. So nothing too fancy here. This is a TPU case. It does have a brushed aluminum finish with some carbon fiber elements on the top and bottom for some accents there. And this is basically just a super slim case that's going to protect the back of your phone from scratches. I wouldn't really trust this too much for drop protection, but something is better than nothing. So we'll go ahead and put this on the phone. We kind of see what it looks like on the phone. And there is the Sentinel case. Now we'll just kind of move on to what we're really here for, and that is the screen protector. Okay, so I would always suggest to turn the phone off before installing any type of screen protector. Just for me, having the screen on, if a notification comes in or something, that can be a little bit distracting, so I always like to turn it off first. First up, we're going to hit this with the alcohol wipe, getting this as clean as possible. I want to remove any dirt and grime, and especially any dust that could come between the screen itself and the protector. We're going to take the cloth here and dry that up. Try to remove all dust particles, all grease, anything that could come between the glass screen protector and the phone, which would cause that to lift. All right, so we'll inspect this really well. Hit it with a light. If you got a flashlight, you could even hit it with a flashlight. Make sure that you take this little dust sticker here and pick up any loose particles of dust. All right, when you're happy with that, the instructions do suggest that you go ahead and put this in the Sentinel screen protector and then clean up the screen. If you get any fingerprints or anything like that on there, go ahead and hit that with the cloth again. And we'll just make sure we get this good and dry so that we get good adhesion on the screen. We want to make sure that we get all dirt and dust off of here. We'll go ahead and remove the back of the screen protector. It's going to expose the sticky side of the screen protector. Then we're going to use our stickers here to just kind of line everything up. And you can kind of use that speaker as a guide. And then when you're happy with the placement, just go ahead and drop that on your screen. You can kind of see that it's already adhering to the screen. All right, any little micro bubbles that you see appear on the screen, these will work themselves out over the next 24 hours. You can also kind of push them to the side like so, but over the next 24 hours, they will work themselves out of the screen protector. All right, and as you can see, the screen still looks super vibrant, super colorful, and touch hasn't been affected in any way. It's just like touching the actual screen. We get full coverage, so 100% coverage here, and everything looks perfect with this screen protector. Big shout outs to Elixir for sending out the Sentinel case and screen protector for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'll be sure to include a link in the description of where you can pick up this screen protector today.